Ever since Sushant Singh Rajput passed away on June 14, 2020, debates about nepotism and favoritism have become a burning topic on social media. However, the latest developments have changed the course of investigation, with SSR's father filing an FIR against Rhea Chakraborty. In the FIR, the late actor's father has accused Rhea of abetment to suicide, cheating, and theft, among other things. While the investigation is still going on, many theories have cropped up around the late actor's death. Here's a look at 9 shocking theories that have come up ever since Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. According to the FIR filed by the late actor's father, it is alleged that Rhea and her family convinced Sushant that his house was haunted and made him leave that house. Sushant was then put up at a hotel near the Mumbai airport. They also repeatedly told Sushant that he was talking absurd and said that they'll get him treated by a doctor. In a recent report by Times Now, it was revealed that Sushant's sister Meetu Singh recorded her statement with the Bihar police. In her statement, she reportedly revealed that Sushant's house help had talked to her some time back about some misdoings by Rhea. According to her, the house help, who was the first to discover Sushant's body, informed her that Rhea Chakraborty was into black magic. Sami Ahmed's recent explosive interview, he said that Sushant was under some mysterious medication since December 2019, which was strange to believe as the actor never preferred taking medicines earlier. He also stated that this medical course was started by Rhea Chakraborty, and when Sushant was asked about it, he said that he was consuming medication for dengue. Further, he added up that the late actor's medications for depression also had a negative impact on Sushant's health, as he experienced anxiousness and numbness in his body. To this, the fitness instructor suggested Sushant to focus on the physical aspect rather than the medicines, but the late actor insisted on completing the medical course. According to recent reports, it was revealed that Ankita Lokhande had shared a chat with Bihar police in which the late actor had allegedly agreed that Rhea was harassing him. Reportedly, Sushant even told Ankita that he wants to end the relationship, but Rhea is blackmailing him. However, Ankita denied all such reports and stated that she was not in touch with Sushant. Sushant's father alleged in his statement that Rhea, along with her family members, had cheated Sushant and committed fraud and kept him confined. It was revealed that Rhea had allegedly withdrawn Rs 15 crore from Sushant's account and transferred it to accounts that were not known to him. It was also revealed that Sushant bore all the expenses of Rhea's ad shoot in Europe. Further, it was stated that Rhea brought Sushant to her house and would overdose him on medicines. She told everyone that Sushant was suffering from dengue, but Sushant's father had revealed that the actor was never diagnosed with the disease. According to earlier reports, it was revealed that Sushant had a party at his residence the night before his alleged suicide. However, the watchman of the building denied any such claims. When the Mumbai police acquired the CCTV footage of the set time, it was reported that the cameras were not working during that particular time only. In a recent report by Times Now, it was revealed that Sushant Singh Rajput's death can also have a political angle to it. Reportedly, a politician's son was present at the party, which was allegedly held at Sushant's house a night before his suicide. The sources claim that Mumbai police is trying to hide this big name, and this is why the investigation is not being shifted to the CBI. According to the FIR filed by Sushant's father, it was revealed that Rhea allegedly changed Sushant's SIM cards and did not let him have any contact with his family. The late actor's father even stated that his son wanted to go farming in Coorg, but Rhea did not allow him to do so.